Mimi closed it 2 times.
No, you went right.
Oh, I stepped over. Oh, you mean I came in and then opened it? Well, yeah, I didn't know you wanted to come in.
And I went like, but no, I was the password.
The password? Do you know what the password is?
Right.
Squeaky metal. Anyway,
What is this?
that's Popo's camera and the camera stand. And I'm taking apart this motor right here,
Why did you put this with it?
so it'll have more balance and won't turn and won't fall off. Let's see. I'm gonna need. Yeah, I'll try this. Yeah, there we go.
Are you fixing it or something?
I'm working on this U-boat.
Oh,
It's a U-boat. See this body right here?
oh, it's a train.
Yes, it's a locomotive. It's a U-26B or 23B. Oh, I forgot now.
It's 10603.
Yeah, that's the number on it. 1903.
Oh,
Yeah, 19. Yeah, and that's one. This is the new U-boat Popo got the other day in the mail. Remember? Yeah, and my old U-boat is over there on the table. See the Santa Fe right over there? 6308. Don't go over there and start messing with stuff now. That red and the blue and yellow one. 6308. See it? 63.
Oh, yeah.
You see it right down there? Yeah, that's it. Yep, you found it. See, you a smart kid. 6308. You a smart kid.
Not this piece of keep.
There's the first ring. All right, you leaving? Okay.
How much shoot bullets by itself?
You gonna shoot bullets into my room?
No, it's no good because we keep it that way.
Oh, okay. Well, you don't have to close it right now. Papa will close it later, okay?
Yeah, but I supposed to told you I would
Oh, I see. Yeah, no, when I'm not working, I close it up to keep the robot out.
Yeah, but for right now, you want me to do it with your working too.
Yes.
Put it back on the board.
Yes, and the reason I close it off is to keep you out, because sometimes you come in here and you get into Popo's things, and I don't want you to get hurt. Yeah, we don't want the robot to come in. She did? Oh. I guess I left it off last night. Holy cow, that's still there. I'm gonna take it over
I
again,
can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer.
Did you put all your tools outside?
Been waiting
Okay.
for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You used to fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your
All right.
look, your
I know a lot of
everything. When I
people.
see it all, I knew that you were mine.
Oil.
I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love.
Oh, shit, there's another fish there.
Been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours.
All right, so.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control.
Well, that's just-
Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours. My love is forever yours.
Right here. Like this. This one. Like this. Excellent. Love that excess. Okay. Now we got that. Then, where's my what you doing, bud? This is fun. Then yeah, snowboarding in a while. Beautiful. Look at that. Completely beautiful. Let's see, clean up the mountains. Oops. Reach up though. Yeah, that's good. Stick a little more rigor up there. Good deal. That's a good little move right there. Should be pretty good. All right, so that's that.